Magandang araw. Ngayong mga bata ay pag-uusapan natin ay patungkol sa addition of decimal. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kakalimutan na mag-like, mag-share, and mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Let's go! So, how to add a decimal number? Paano nga ba? Unang-una, number 1, 25.3 plus 4.482 is equal to n. So, arrange muna natin siya in vertical column. At huwag kakalimutan na naka-align ng vertical ang ating decimal point. O, yung decimal point natin ay nakapantay. So, kung napapansin natin, hindi pantay ang ating mga place value. Dagdagan lang natin sila ng 0 para maging pantay ang ating place value. At proceed na tayo sa addition. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And bring down 2. And bring down the decimal point. So, the answer is 29.782. Ganun lang kadali, mga bata. Pangalawang bilang, 0.649 plus 0.024. So, tatandaan, i-align muna natin sila in vertical column. Kung mapapansin natin sa example na ito ay parehas ang number of place value. We have place value of tens, hundred, thousands. So, we have thousands in place value. So, pantay sila. O tatlong decimal number, tatlong decimal number. Wala nang tayong idadagdag. Huwag lang kakalimutan na dapat naka-align yung decimal point na vertical. So, add na natin 4 plus 9. The answer is 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1. The answer is 7. 0 plus 6. The answer is 6. Then, 0 plus 0 is 0. So, then, bring down the decimal point. So, the answer is 0.673. Ngayon naman, 7,531 plus 24.324. So, align uli natin siya in vertical column. And then, 1 plus 0. So, add lang natin ng 0 dito. 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. 4 plus 3, the answer is 7. 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. And 3 plus 7, the answer is 10. 0, carry 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, the answer is 7. And 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. Then, align lang natin yung decimal point. Bring down. So, the answer is 37.0771. 37.771 10,000. And then, number 4. So, this time, tatlo naman to. Ganun pa rin. Ang gagawin lang natin ay i-align natin sila in vertical form. At makakalimutan na dapat pantay ang decimal point. So, napapansin natin, pwede tayo magdagdag dito ng 0. So, dagdag tayo ng 0. Then, proceed to addition. So, 3 plus 3 plus 0, the answer is 6. 9 plus 5 plus 3, the answer is 17. Carry 1. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, the answer is 7. 0 plus 1 plus 8, the answer is 9. And then, 1 plus 0 plus 7, the answer is 8. Bring down the decimal point. Ganun lang kadali mga bata. So, the answer is 8.9776 10,000. So, para ma-practice ang inyong kaalaman sa pag-a-add ng decimal numbers, you need to practice your skills. So, 1, 2, 3. So, comment down your answer in the comment section below para makita natin kung tama ang iyong kasagutan. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless.